from here on, it's basically up to you how you want to go about this, but we will create kind of like a bounding box. So we'll hit the plus and click here and press P, and that will create 1-point poly. And I can just copy that and move that down here and paste. So now we got 2 of these guys. So these guys are basically creating a bounding box for our UV map. Create a texture on the Y, create. Select the roads, we'll copy those into a new layer, but we'll also take these 2 guys and copy those as well. We need those for making sure that our exported UV map is going to be the same on this layer as on this layer. Okay, so got that, and export to EPS, texture UV, yes. Call that just roads, and take this one, export to EPS, call that roads yellow. Go for pixels, we'll say a rather large resolution here. I'm not going to use anti-aliased in this case. So 8K, and we got that. Go for pixels, paste in 8K, anti-aliased no. Alright, so there we go, and I can pretty much just drag this layer here over here. You can see that didn't match, so I'll hold down Shift and drag over. I think that should work. Yeah. So now it's in the correct position. All right, so from there on, we can start working with these lines. What is that? Why does this one have roads? I mean yellow stripes. That's strange. Okay, shouldn't have. But you know what? It doesn't really matter, because I'm going to select this area anyway. Let's see, continuous, contiguous. So select these guys and invert the selection, make a new layer. Oops. New layer. And we can fill that space. Can invert that selection, make a new layer, and can fill that with some kind of color. So you can see how it's kind of like turning out. That is a bit strange though. For some reason, Oh yeah, it's using thicker lines when it's importing. So yeah, if you look at this line here, you can see that this line here is quite thick. That's why these guys also end up being quite thick. So we can select and can use contract, for example. Why didn't that work? That is a good question. Why doesn't that work? I have no idea why that doesn't work. Anyway, Photoshop bug, probably. Can duplicate that layer and choose to go another way about it. Maximum, and it's a better way to do it. Anyway, 3 pixels perhaps. Go like that, and yeah, that's more like it. That is actually a good way to adjust the thickness later on as well. I think that looks pretty good. You can continue, of course, blurring out roads or do all kinds of stuff. So for example, here you can Gaussian blur that. I mean, it's like, this is kind of like getting to the point where you kind of like you can just spend like 10 hours, you know, adjusting this stuff. Bring in images from Google Maps, paste that in, tweak. So you could just keep on tweaking this forever, but you kind of like get the idea on what you can do here.